What's going on YouTube? Just making a tutorial for adding the side window visors for your Acura Integra DB2, whatever the fuck it is. It's kind of a tough job. There's not really any tutorials on the internet, but the clips are basically a pain in the ass for me. I had to figure it out myself. I got H.I.C brand window visors, $150, but from Canada, they're from the States, so you know how it goes. So basically you want to start peeling the rubber back right there. Watch out, it was kind of tearing at that seam for me, but just be cautious. You want to tear the whole thing down. Don't worry, it's very durable, so you don't have to worry about that. The clip basically sits like that on the seal, then you have to push it back in. Recommend starting from the reverse side of the seal and then popping the top in, but really you can figure it out for yourself. Pain in the ass, you kind of have to fuck with it a lot, but you'll get it done. A clip like that obviously isn't sitting right. As you can see, I marked right above the clip. I marked it with a permanent marker where the holes were that screws into the guard. Right there is a properly seated clip, so keep that in mind. To the clearance after I have it installed. I'm not capable of holding a camera and doing it at the same time, so didn't really take any pictures. There's a fitment, it's pretty good. It's alright, it's not OEM obviously, so gotta watch out when you're putting on the 3M tape, but it'll work out fine. I kind of hesitated on buying shit just because there wasn't really any tutorials out there, so just thought I'd make them some more pictures. So hopefully you're gonna go buy some. Peace.